sunny but blustery day in Spalding, and the chickens say hi too. Tonight, because I'm not doing a live video, what I thought I would do, shush, I'm recording, Dorothy, and because lockdown is officially over, I thought what I would do is take a walk back through the lockdown and go through some of my thoughts and your thoughts on the paintings that we did together. I hope you've given some of them a go. I certainly enjoyed doing them. I certainly enjoyed your company, and I did appreciate everybody who joined in and everybody who left a comment. So take a walk with me. We're starting at the beginning of January. I will say, so that I don't have to repeat myself every single painting, all my canvases are primed with either white or black gesso, and one was underpainted with acrylics, and I think I will mention that when that comes, because that was a little bit more complicated. Alright, I hope you enjoy the review. Please leave your comments. If you want to buy any of the paintings, I will leave the links to them all down at the bottom in the comments on YouTube, and I'll leave the links on the Facebook when I post the video. Anyway, enjoy, take care, continue staying safe, speak to you soon. Bye bye. So let's kick off with the Shetland skies. The inspiration behind this one was the TV series Shetland, which I was watching at the time. I think it captures the rugged landscape, the wide open skies, and of course the rough seas. Next up we have Paradise Sunset. I just love the bright colours of the sunset, the purples and the oranges and the calm reflections in the water. And then apparently I scared a few people putting in my bravery stroke of a palm tree. And what's not to love about the Alpine Cottage? Warm skies, but still cold. It's everyone's perfect escape. Moonlight fishing. If you look closely, there's a couple of little fishing boats ready to go and hit the water in the moonlight and catch that trout. And on the left-hand side, you'll also see a little cottage. Now, this next one had the underpainting that I was talking about earlier with the fence, but this is actually flowers from my garden, and the bright ones are red hot pokers, the purple alliums, yellow foxgloves, and little blue forget-me-nots. Now this one, sometimes you've got to go somewhere else to get your inspiration, and this was a photograph that I found on the Landscape Artist's website, and this was my interpretation of it. Now this one got a lot of people. Sometimes you've just got to go with the flow. I had no idea what I was going to paint, and I ended up with a rainbow castle. So you've got the castle over on the right, you've got the rough landscape on the left. And sometimes you've got to do a small painting in order to get the big painting, which is what I did here with Emerald Forest. I wasn't sure where I was going with this, so I deliberately did a small painting and then created the larger one live on the night. And for my final, what could I do? I had to do something dramatic. It had to be. So here it is, my lady in red, walking to work maybe, walking to a party. But that is it. That was the end of lockdown. So thank you once again for watching this. Thank you once again for joining me, for all your comments, and take care. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.